Staying employable in the AI era. The world changed quietly. Not with an explosion, but with an update. While most people were sleeping, entire industries rewrote their future overnight. Tasks that once took hours now take seconds. Skills that once guaranteed security now expire faster than trends. And somewhere in this silent shift, a question began to echo in every mind. Will I still matter? The fear isn't really about AI, it's about becoming replaceable. Because for decades, employability meant one thing. Learn a skill, repeat it, get paid. But repetition is exactly what machines have mastered, so the rules changed. In the AI era, your safety no longer comes from what you know. It comes from what only you can become. Staying employable today isn't about outrunning machines. You won't. It's about becoming the kind of human machines can't replace. And there are 3 traits that quietly separate those who stay relevant from those who slowly fade. First is the ability to learn faster than change. The old world rewarded mastery. The new world rewards adaptation. In the AI era, every skill has a shorter lifespan. Software evolves, workflows shift, and roles transform. So employability is no longer a destination, it's a speed. The speed at which you can learn, unlearn, and relearn. And the people who survive disruption aren't necessarily the smartest. They're the fastest learners. They see every new tool not as a threat, but as a new lesson to absorb. This constant state of learning is the new job security. Second is the skill of working with AI, not against it. Some people compete with AI, others collaborate. And that difference decides their future. Because AI doesn't eliminate value, it redistributes it. Routine thinking decreases in importance, while strategic thinking increases. Execution becomes cheaper, but judgment becomes priceless. The truly employable person isn't the one doing everything manually. It's the one who knows what to automate, what to amplify, and what must absolutely stay human. They use AI as a leverage point, a tool to multiply their own impact, not as a rival to be defeated. They ask, how can this machine make me better? Not, is this machine going to replace me? And that brings us to the third trait, irreplaceable human signals. There are abilities machines can simulate, but only humans can truly transmit. Things like trust, taste, context, emotion, ethics, and vision. AI can generate 1,000 options, but a human decides which one has meaning. AI can process mountains of data, but a human navigates the ambiguity and nuance. AI can produce content, but a human creates resonance that connects with other people on a deeper level. The safest careers in the AI era won't be the most technical. They'll be the most human leveraged. They'll be roles that require empathy, complex problem solving, and genuine connection. So, staying employable today means you have to make a shift. Don't anchor your value to specific tasks. Instead, anchor it to your capabilities. Don't define yourself by the tools you use. Define yourself by the quality of your thinking. And don't try to compete on sheer effort. Compete on insight and judgment. Because tools will always evolve, but your judgment, your wisdom, compounds over time. Here's the quiet truth most people miss. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who stop evolving. The real danger isn't automation. It's stagnation disguised as comfort. The moment someone says, I already know enough, they begin their expiration. But those who stay curious, experimental, and adaptable, they don't fear AI, they accelerate with it. In every single technological shift throughout history, one pattern has never changed. The future doesn't belong to the strongest or even the smartest. It belongs to the most adaptable. So if you want to stay employable in the age of AI, don't try to be irreplaceable at tasks. Become irreplaceable at being human. Because in a world full of intelligent machines, the ultimate job security is evolving faster than they do. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, consider subscribing for more content like this.